everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna do unboxing for my new earphone. This is a MI basic earphone. I got it from MI store today, and then today I'll do unboxing for this. See this MI store dagi fangba aigi earphone basic sports earphone je unboxing tawse. Ado unboxing hor. And someone has gifted me, so thank you for the earphone. So I'll do unboxing. Ngasi unboxing to the first video ne, and she's a MI store lagi MI basic sports earphone ne. Use unboxing to jage. Ado ma'am yang se manunga kai product kamai to ge product quality ado favor de mong yang se ado ma'am unboxing ho jage. I got this. See price it 1,299 leva. Ituka manungda silere. Product si earphones ini. Yes. Kita kita yaure isi ko USB cable में yaure, and then maki top earbud side आएगा सीधा हाथ ना उसे सीधा yaure, and दूसरा headphone earphone सीधा चला रहे. Battery की दिखाऊंगे तो battery सु यहीं से battery की दिखा ले तो खाने सेंधा aduga magisina charge tonoba adapter de habak te USB de hape charge kai da wani habda. Okay, shita macha yare shita macha yare shita normal USB jack to ne charge tonoba jete shime yare do my cap lock apparently. Right. Phone connector yang ase. Mau kemain tu lagi. Tire. Yam nuai se lai ve yam ahong mal lai ko yam tang da earphone hai bluetooth ki lai hai tadi si dum lai ve MI yam fai. So affordable price ta lai ne 1,299 hata pi adu offer price ta adu amag MRP di kya lai hai 1,799 pi ne MRP adu offer da 1,299 ka pi adu se affordable price ne. This is only 1,299. A best Bluetooth earphone from MI. I hope the battery will be amazing because MI has a powerful battery. So, aduga magis da yam handy hoini. Sino da yam nungai da male magi poche. Adu kara section da mi da tat ki dong male. Ai so han da khalam me si tat ki dong male. Sum pai da mari se. Ada kham de try da ne. So ma'am apam yar ga de dum order toro adu sinaro siam noi ni. Pada dum fai atopa imana ba tai su dum sin nei. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.